What's the meaning of civic? Civic. Civic.
Civic. Civic. The word civic pertains to something related to a city or its citizens. It is an adjective that denotes the qualities or characteristics associated with the community, government, and public affairs of a particular city. This term is often used in the context of civic responsibility, which refers to the duty of citizens to participate in the affairs of their community. Civic engagement involves active involvement in social, political, and economic matters that affect the welfare of a city and its inhabitants. Hence, civic signifies a sense of belonging, responsibility, and engagement towards one's community.